Here you go, Aston.
Thank you.
Love you. Good luck.
Thank you.
My sister and my brother-in-law and my nephew just quickly came over. Look how cozy I am. Well, cozy. Hello, my YouTube family. Tomorrow is my first ever chemo session, and I just thought I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing. I bought a new hospital bag. So I got a hospital bag from Amazon, and it's like next day delivery, so it's a big one now. Ooh. Ew. I wanted a really, really big bag. That's good, isn't it? Matt, what do you think?
Yeah.
Nice?
Pretty good.
Is it too big? No, it's good, isn't it? I can fit everything in. So let me have a look at it, Emma. Oh no, the other way, Emma. The other way. This way, turn it around.
I don't see anything.
You just record it like that, hold it like that. It was, I think it was about £25 or something. So for a big handbag, it's huge.
Is it too big?
No, I think it's good, isn't it? Then you've got clothes in there as well.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what, this could be a nice little YouTube video to film, like the day before my chemo, and also it will keep my mind off it, because all morning and all afternoon I've been really like worried, and I'm like, what if I forget this, what if I forget that? So I wrote a list of things I need. Oh, I forgot my AirPods. Need to get that, hold on. I thought, you know what, if I film a video, I always feel calm automatically. When I talk to you guys, I feel really calm. If I pack this bag and, oh, would it be too late? It might be too late, I don't know. If you guys think I'm missing something, let me know in the comments below if I'm missing something really important, and then I can pack it. But I don't know when this video is going up, so, or it might help for my second session in 2 weeks. So tomorrow is my first ever appointment, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so worried, just because I just had the port done and it's still quite sore. So I'm worried about the chemo drug going through this like sore area, but they must give me anesthetic or painkillers. They know what they're doing, so it should be okay. I bought a new bag. So this is my big, like I bought a really big hospital bag just because I thought, it was from Amazon, right? I needed next day delivery. It's just going to be solely for the hospital. So I thought once I use it, it'll be easy to clean as well. So I can kind of use like Dettol wipes to clean it after. And I can leave it in the car as well, like in the boot. Yeah, I think I bought this bag at night because I felt like I just wanted to buy a new hospital bag, you know? And I thought a big one just so that I can fit everything in. Also guys, if you're not interested in what I'm taking to the hospital, just skip ahead. I don't know what time, but skip ahead because I do want to talk to you guys about something. So if you're not interested in this part, just kind of skip ahead and find the bit where I'm sitting down talking to you lot, because there is something I want to say. It's nothing serious, but I just want to say something. So I'll say that right after this. It did come with this thing at the front, but I don't want that. And it came with a big strap. I don't think I need the strap. I think this will be fine. We'll see. So I'll start packing this up. The book I'm going to take to read is called Last Night by Mary McFarlane. If you're into kind of books and reading and want to know what I think about this book, follow my Tiffany Thinks Book Club page on Instagram and I'll write a little review. That'll be good. I probably won't read this all tomorrow, but it's just nice that I've got a book. I can read a couple of chapters. And then I've got this little book of meditation. This was a gift from Sweetie, my cousin. So I want to kind of read this in the hospital because it's good. I love meditating. Well, I used to do it a lot and I haven't done it in a long time. So this is 10 minutes a day to more relaxation, energy and creativity. So I'm taking this little meditation book. I'm taking my bullet journal. Of course I have to take my bullet journal. I feel like I don't leave anywhere without this. So it'll be good for me to kind of sit down and organise like my YouTube videos, ideas, schedule dates. It'll be just good for me to kind of be on top of that because I haven't been on top of that. Everything's kind of all over the place. I'm taking my MacBook this is good. This is why I'm happy I've got a big handbag, because I can fit this MacBook in there. So I'm going to take my MacBook so I can edit videos, reply back to comments and DMs. I need to really be on it with DMs. I'm going to have so much time tomorrow. I just want to keep really, really busy tomorrow. I don't want to sit there and be sad. I just want to keep my mind busy. So I don't know if I'm taking too much with me, but I'm going to be there 4.5, 5 hours. So I want to be prepared. I want to be really prepared. It's my first time, you know, so I don't know if I'm being excessive. I don't know if I'm being like over the top, but at least I know at least once I've done tomorrow, I'll know what it's like, and I'll know if I need to take more or if I don't need to be this over the top. Taking Matt's iPad as well, which is good. Actually, do I need to take a laptop and the iPad? Oh yeah, I need their laptop. This is a cool iPad, isn't it? No, I need to take my MacBook so I can edit if I need to edit videos. I might even download a couple of episodes of Friends, actually. You guys know I watch Friends all the time, but I keep it on in the background. It's like one of those things when I'm kind of stressed or anything, it's always on my TV. So maybe I could set up the iPad, put Friends on there and then edit, so at least I'll feel a bit more cozy. It'll feel like I'm at home. I'm taking hand sanitizer, definitely taking hand sanitizer. My sister and Barney and I, they just dropped off loads of these actually. So with the treatment I'm having, so it's called Folafox, so that's the chemo drug that I'm having. So my hair will get thinner, but I don't think I'm going to lose a lot of hair. Pray to God I don't lose a lot of hair, but even if I do, it's fine because it will grow back, you know, so that's the positive. If I lose my hair, I've got a lot of thick hair anyway, so can you imagine if it falls out, it's fine, it's just going to come back thicker, you know, so it's fine. This treatment is so important. But one of the side effects the doctors and the nurse kind of said is I'm going to be frozen, like I'm going to be so cold. And if you guys know me, I'm always cold all the time anyways, like I'm always really cold, so I can't imagine being even more cold, but it's fine. My sister bought hand warmers and foot warmers, so I've got a bunch. She gave me a lot, so I think for each session I can take a set, and it's really good. She said you put it on and then it lasts up to 10 hours, so I'm going to be super toasty. My cousin Shalomi, my gorgeous cousin Shalomi, she got me this beautiful water bottle. I haven't used it yet actually. She did get it for me a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago, but I was waiting to use this at my treatment because I just want it to be like she's with me and she's got one and I've got one, and I just want to use it when I'm in the hospital because I'll think of her. Of course I have to take my AirPods as well, don't I? I need to charge this actually. AirPods to edit and listen to music, watch Friends, need AirPods. The rest of the things I'm taking are all from Matt, aren't they? Yeah, because Matt was with me when the doctors and nurses were saying I need to be super toasty warm. If you watch my ASOS video, where he buys me all these little outfits and coats, if you haven't seen it, I'll leave it linked below, but he bought me bits so that I'm toasty. So he got me this hat, love it, it's so nice, it's black, and you guys know I wear lots of leggings, a lot of dark black outfit, so this will go. And it doesn't really matter, it's just for the hospital. And then he got me this, how cute! So they're really fluffy mitts, gloves. So, oh, it's so soft. So inside it's like lined and it's really soft. He got this from ASOS. And he got the hat from ASOS too. He got me fluffy socks. How nice, they're so soft guys, so soft. So I'm going to be super cozy tomorrow. I've got a scarf. This one's from Topshop, but he bought it on ASOS. I think it's from Topshop, yeah it is from Topshop. Again, it's really soft. And the last thing I'm taking is this big coat. It's a really big coat. So I'm going to be super warm. They said as soon as the treatment's done, Matt's picking me up after the appointment. Matt and Amma, they're picking me up. But the doctor and the nurse both said that Matt should keep the car on with the heating on and keep the car toasty. So when I get in, the car's all nice and warm for me. I don't know if I'll be that cold. It sounds very dramatic. I don't know. We'll just make sure, it's the first time, you know, so everyone deals with like drugs differently and chemo and everything differently. So I might not react that bad. So I'm prepared though, I'm really prepared. So if you guys think I'm missing something, please let me know. But I do think I've got everything. I feel like I'm going on a holiday. Is that bad? Am I overpacking? Am I doing too much? This is how you know, like, I feel like I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much, aren't I? Oh dear. Oh dear. YouTube family, I just thought before you carry on watching the rest of the video, on Instagram I asked you guys what would you like, because I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys. What would you like in the giveaway? I've included a bullet journal, I've included candles, a pen, like things that I love, but let me know what you'd like. I asked on Instagram and loads of you told me to do Vlogmas. Do you think I should do Vlogmas? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to do Vlogmas. I am so excited about Christmas this year, and I don't want chemo and cancer to ruin Christmas. I'm not going to let it. So on the days where I don't feel fine, I'll upload a small video, you know, I can do that. I post on Instagram all the time. Let me know what you think. But yeah, carry on watching this video. I said I wanted to talk to you guys about something, and I was just thinking about this all day. Yeah, so I get these comments and you keep talking about my strength, and honestly, I've never been like a strong person, but since being diagnosed, I've got this inner strength that I can't explain. I think it is from God. Like, there's no other explanation, because if you knew me before, I was very like worried and always thinking about other things, and I wasn't strong. But now I feel like a different person. I feel like I see things differently, and I believe in a lot, and I believe that I'm going to get through this. I'm so happy that you guys, my YouTube family, have been through this journey with me. It feels like a long journey already, but it's just beginning. Tomorrow is the first chemo appointment, it's the first day. But don't you guys think we've already been through a lot, especially with like the egg freezing, the lung issue, the misdiagnosis, and don't you think it's already been a roller coaster? It's been a roller coaster ride, but now things are going to go smoothly, hopefully. Either way, we're going to get through it together. I believe I've got this, and I believe we've got this. I'm so grateful for each one of you. I know I say this in all of my videos and you guys are probably like, just shush, but I know you guys are very happy that I'm filming this journey and you're with me. But for me, doing this and talking to you guys has made this so much easier. Like, I feel like every day I'm thinking about you guys, and I read my DMs, and I feel like I know I don't need to reply back. I know I don't need to, and I know you guys support me and know that I'm getting loads of messages, but I personally want to reply back. Even if I haven't done it yet, I will get to your message. I want to reply back to you guys because you've given me this strength as well. You've made me feel like I can handle anything. Like, you've given me that strength too. Yes, I've got it from God, but I've also got it from you guys, because your messages, your comments, the prayers, everything, I feel this love from you. And it's amazing because I've been doing YouTube for a very long time, and I've always had a connection with the people that watch my videos, but the connection I have now, I genuinely feel like you guys are family. Like, I would do anything for you guys, and that's why I feel like we have this trust. We have this trust, don't we? I don't know, it's really weird. It's a weird thing, because I feel like I know some of you, and some of you are new on this journey, and I feel like I'm getting to know you, and we're talking to each other on Instagram, and I know your story, and I read your history and what you've been through. Cancer, lots of people have been affected by cancer. It's not just me. I've not got it bad. I've really not got it bad at all. So I've read your stories and people who have suffered with it, or know someone that's suffered with it, who've lost loved ones, and honestly, yeah, I feel like we're in this together. This is probably the most scariest time of my life. Like, I don't think anything can be as scary as this, going through this journey, appointments, injections, everything I've been through. It feels like it should be the scariest time of my life, and you guys have been there. I feel like you've all been holding my hand through it. If I cry, you guys cry. If I'm upset or angry, you guys are upset and angry. If I'm laughing, you're laughing. I feel like we're doing this together. Is that weird to think like that? I don't know. I genuinely feel like we're on this journey together. And this is why I really don't want to miss anything out. I want to be 100% honest with you guys, and I just want to say I'm very grateful, very grateful. I know I feel like I'm rambling quite a lot. I just need a favour. I just want you guys to carry on being on this journey with me. Just carry on holding my hand. I feel like I've got so much love, like I feel this love from you guys. So please, can you carry on this journey with me? Please, that's the only thing I want. I just want your support and your prayers and your love, and nothing to change. I just want it to be like this. I just need you guys. I feel like I know some of you messaged me and you say you really need me. It's like I feel like I need you more than you need me, trust me. So please carry on supporting me. Please carry on this journey with me. I love what we have. And I love that our family is growing, like everyone's subscribing, and please subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow this family, let's be together, let's do this, we've got this together, I think we have. Okay, I'm so sorry for being all soppy and weird, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I probably will film tomorrow. It's like my first day of chemo, and it's just a good distraction for me to vlog, and if I can anyways, if I'm allowed to vlog there, I will. Thank you for everything, and for those people who are praying for me, sending me positive energy, for me, my family. Let's pray for the YouTube family as well. We're all together and we're all happy and healthy and just grateful for life. That's all we need to be, just very grateful for what God's given us. Okay, that's it. I feel like this is going to be a very long video of me just talking at you. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and let's get on this journey together. I love you all so much. Bye. Mwah.